In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Vivid Seats discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Vivid Seats discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have at least two different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this $20 discount code, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And right here, I can copy this code and apply it on my next purchase in order to get that $20 discount. Also, going back to our main search, we also have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, you also have some promo codes that you can use. For example, if I want to get this 5% discount, all I have to do is select get deal right here. Sorry, just select get deal, and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, you have some promo codes that you can use. We have this one with 20% off right here. Just select copy code, and this is a discount code that you can use in order to get your discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.